Good evening, Taylor County Accelerated School parents and students. The TAS team would like to thank you, and we invite you for our very first virtual open house. My name is Edward L. Harvey Sr. I am the principal and / dean of the Taylor County Accelerated School. First and foremost, my staff and I would like to really appreciate your time and your effort in participating in this most prestigious endeavor. However, we're not going to waste any of your time this evening. I know you have a lot of things to do, but it's very important that we let you know what our team here is doing for your child. And it's very imperative that we inform you and your child of the importance and significance of an education here at TAS. We want all of our students here who attend to be very successful here while they achieve their academic goals during the academic school year of 2021-22. The main purpose of our open house is to provide you as a parent or guardian opportunity to meet the teachers and to review all expectations and any other thing that you should know about your child while they're here at TAS. If you have any questions regarding anything that has been said, please contact me personally. All right, I want to say this. While we're doing open house, this is not a time for individual conferences. If you desire a teacher-parent conference, you must contact our main office here at TAS. Please contact Mrs. Sandra O'Quinn at 850-223-5350. Now, open house is an opportunity for you to be informed, to be educated on all the things that your child knows, or maybe not telling you, or you may not know about our school here. Therefore, the TAS team has made themselves available via this team video. Now, each of our teachers and staff will introduce themselves to you and provide you with information that you need to know about the school and about your child's responsibility and also academic goals, to include any other significant information you need to know here while their child's here at TAS. Now, the TAS team has prepared themselves to answer any and all questions via email at the conclusion of this video. Please let us know if you have any questions about something that we said or did not say that you need to know about our school here. If you do not want to email us, just pick up the phone. You can call us. Again, the number is 850-223-5350. Now, TAS mission is within the Taylor County School District's mission to elevate our students. Very simple. To accelerate, to promote, graduate all our students to the next grade level. We want our students to attend at least 4 core classes while they're pursuing or being promoted to the next grade. However, if there are anything that we have not said in regard to your child's academic success or lack of, please make a conference. Call the number I just said. Now, if students are behind in core credits, or they're struggling in reading, or they scored at least a level 1 on the FSA, ELA, our teachers and staff will be equipped to provide small group, one-on-one instruction to assist each student in achieving their academic goals. Again, our focus is to provide an opportunity for you as a parent or a guardian to know what we do here at TAS is going to benefit your child. Now, if your child needs to catch up, learn, be remediated, accelerate or step up to the next level, well, we're here to do that for your child. Now, also, TAS is equipped to enable your student, your child, to be a successful student as they prepare for either college or career. Could be welding, could be E&I, could be something else. However, I just want to let you know that we are here in your support. Our teachers are equipped because they're the best people I've ever worked with. If you have a question, please call me. Now, I'm going to share my screen with you in regard to the silent bell schedule. As you see, if you can view my screen, the very first time in the morning is at 7 o'clock. We only accept the students between 7:30. When they get dropped off, either by the bus or by you. Of course, as you see, the periods go all the way down to fourth period, and then lunch is served at 11:30 until 12:05. We conclude our day each and every day at 2:25. If you have any questions regarding any issue regarding transportation in regard to bus pickups, please contact me. I will try to get you in touch with the transportation director. Now, at this time, it's time to meet the TAS team. Each TAS team member or teacher will introduce themselves and provide you with all the information you need to know regarding what they do in the classroom with your child. Again, I will say thank you very, very much. And if you have any questions, again, please contact me or contact the teacher. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Sandra Oakley, and I am the office manager here at TAS. I am responsible for all office duties, data entry, payroll, and anything that Coach Harvey or the staff needs me to do. I am the person to see to sign your child in if you are late or if you need to sign them out early. It is important that you as the parent come in and sign them in or sign them out. They cannot be dismissed just because of a phone call. I'm the person that will call you if your child is sick and needs to go home. So if you have a new phone number, would you please email it to me? Call me here at the school. I'm here from 7:30 until 3. Also, if you need to update the list that can pick your child up, I can assist you with that. Please be sure if your child is sick or needs to be quarantined due to COVID, you get the correct forms from your doctor or the health department saying they have to be home for however many days from the start date to the end date. A phone call will not excuse them. We have to have the correct documentation from the healthcare provider for our school records. Thank you, and it is all of our goals here at TAS to see your child succeed. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Sherman Rhines. I'm a Dropout Provision teacher here at TAS, proud member of the team, and would like to welcome you to becoming a part of that team for this school term. About myself, I believe in structure, discipline, respect, and organization. By those things, my classroom will be operated this year. The biggest thing we need to work on for the year is attendance from your student. We need your help. I need your help. And getting your kids here, making sure they're here, because that's the only way that they're going to pass and get promoted to the next grade. Now, once they're here, they will have to comply with certain rules in my classroom. Those rules include no profanity, no foul language or gestures of any kind, no physical contact with another student or staff member. There's no eating, no sleeping, slouching, no hoodies, sunglasses to be worn in class. It's a place of work. It's a place of progress. It's a place of promotion. I, along with my aides, are going to work diligently with your students to help them achieve the goal of passing and promotion. But we need them to put in the work. Without them, nothing is going to happen, and we're going to stay stagnant. We want them to be successful. We're going to work with them to help them be successful and create that work ethic within them. So once they promote and go forward, they're going to do bigger and better things. Thank you for joining our team. Thank you for your help, and we look forward to having a great year. Bye.
Hello, my name is Cherie Rowell, and I'm a Dropout Preventative Teacher here at Taylor Accelerated School and a part of the TAS team for the past 4 years. I am excited to tell you that this year I am teaching 6th and 7th grade. In the past, I've taught 6th through 12th grade. This year is going to be exciting. I think that we are moving along with all of our new standards and things that we've got put in place for the COVID. And I just want to go over a few of our class rules with you. We do not allow cell phones at school, period. If your child brings their cell phone to school or a backpack, they will have to leave it at the front office. We have a room there where it can be locked in, but they do not have a need for it in class. So if your child is going to have a need for these items anytime after school, then they're welcome to bring them, but they will be locked up and given back to them at the end of the day. There is no food and drink allowed in the rooms except for water. We have supplied each of the students with a clear drinking bottle that they are to keep here at school. In the event something happens to that, we will replace it as long as it's not from them just playing and not taking care of it themselves. Also, we do have a dress code here. There are not to be any holes in our pants or any pants that are hanging below our belt line. So it's wise to wear a belt and keep our holes below the knees, please. Apex is where your student is going to earn 80% of their grade in our classes, and 20% will come from class participation. This comes in to let you know how important it is that your child's attendance be on point. I cannot stress this enough. If there's anything that we can do here at TAS, our TAS team is more than willing to reach out. It is all of our goals here to see that each of our students leave here with meeting their full educational potential, whether it be because they've got behind, they're in the Step Up program, or if they're here for behavioral reasons. We just want to see the difference in a positive way. You can reach me anytime here at TAS from 7:30 to 3, Monday through Friday, at 850-584. Nope, let me start over with that. How about 850-843-2518? And my email address, excuse me, is Cherie.Rowell, that's CHERIE.Rowell, ROWELL, at taylor.k12.fl.us. I look forward to talking to you. It's very important that we keep communication between you and myself as their adult and I as their teacher. As long as we stay communicating and our students are coming to school and have good attendance, I do not see any reason why they cannot meet their full potential. Thank you again, and I look forward to meeting you in the future.
Good afternoon. My name is Reuben Lewis. I'm one of the TAS school teachers. I come over from BBTC every afternoon, and I'm here all day on Friday. My student expectations are that they will come into class, that they will act accordingly, that they will not use profanity, and that they will be attentive and do the work they're assigned. Their assignments are on Apex. I will help them maintain a passing grade, and I expect them to do their work and do it in a timely manner. In our grading, generally speaking, for most of the students, it's 80% from the Apex score, and then approximately 20% of other work that they do for us. I usually provide a lot of handouts and works, and I do a lot of one-on-one work with them. Since I work in adult ed down at BBTC, I'm used to working with students one-on-one. I like doing that. and I would like to help each and every one of the TAS students as they further their grades and gain more educational opportunities. I also specialize in social studies, and I try to make sure that they get past all of their social studies requirements, as well as I help out with the mathematics and their algebra and in their geometry and in their 7th and 8th grade maths. You can contact me here at the school by my email. It's on the county site. You can look it up. I will reply as soon as I realize that you have emailed me. The students can also email me to ask questions and be in contact as needed. For the parent, you can also set up a conference if you'd like to speak with me here at the TAS school, and Coach Harvey and Miss Sandra Oakwind will handle that. Thank you very much.
Hi, my name is Savannah Jackson, and I'm the behavior specialist and teacher assistant here with Team TAS. My job is to help your child do the best they can, work with them one-on-one, small groups, anything I can to help them achieve their goals.
Greetings. My name is Philip McNeil Jr. This is my 2nd year at TAS, and I'm a teacher's assistant. I assist Mr. Rhines in the 8th grade class. Our main goal is to ensure the success of all of our students so that they successfully transition to the next grade level and they successfully transition to college. My main job is to support the teacher and the staff. We do one-on-one with them, and we provide individualized services for them. So we thank you guys for enrolling your student in TAS and in our school district, and we wish you guys much success in the future.
Hi, my name is Kimberly Lundy, and I'm a teacher's aide here at TAS. I help the teacher with everyday goals and activities, as well as support the teacher with academic goals. I work with students one-on-one when they need the extra help, and I also do small group as well. One of our main goals here at TAS is to get your students where they need to be academically and help them achieve their goals. I look forward to working with your students during the 2021-2022 school year. If you have any questions, please feel free to call us at 850-223-5350.
Congratulations. We finished our first virtual open house presentation. We hope that you enjoyed it. Hope it was informative. I know that you may have some questions. If you do, please contact us. As we have already told you several times, you can reach us at 850-223-5350. My name again is Ed Harvey Sr. I'm the principal/dean of the Taylor County Accelerated School here in Perry, Florida. At this time, we're going to conclude our open house. Please feel free to set up any teacher-parent conferences in regard to your child's grades or any problems or anything that you would like us to answer. Thank you again. And we want to conclude this by saying, welcome to the Taylor County Accelerated School. Thank you.